Well, good evening, all. Ira Epstein, and here we are with your metal market wrap-up. And this wrap-up, I want to get to you at the right time. It's just about 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time on this Monday, and we are at the 17th of November, 2025. So, big down days. Yep, stock market was down pretty hard today. It's up tonight, getting a bounce. But look at, you're breaking the gold pretty hard. You're down $43. You're down $1 an ounce in the silver. Copper's down 230 points. You're down 13 points in the platinum market. Foreign currencies are fairly stable, but the dollar was up another 30 points. It's not over the 100 level, but it's come up. On the energy markets, well, you get that first cold weather, you rally into it, and then you pull back, and that's what happened in the crude and in some of the products here. All right. Now, you're going to get data tomorrow, and the data we're going to see will be, it'll start off with the Red Book weekly retail sales. They're no longer running over 6%. They've been slipping back into the 5.5% range. We'll see if they come out that way again. Normally, we get the Federal Reserve industrial production and capacity utilization. You're not going to get it tomorrow. At least that's all what I'm hearing. They're still trying to give us an idea, the government, on their websites, what reports we're going to get and not as they try to catch up here. Here's the farce of all this. Come January 30th, we can be going through this whole thing again. They solved very little, all right? All they did is buy you some time to January 30th, and people are wondering, what do I do with that time frame? Because where are we as the government? And that's a big problem. U.S. factory order data, well, that will come out for August. Did you hear the month I said? We're just about to go into December, right? It's the 17th of November. So we're going to get August number that you have to deal with. They're looking for it up 1.4%. July was down 1.3%. Doesn't really matter at this point. And we will get the API numbers, and you want to see those because what is oil production doing right now? We know that we've heard that some of the ports that Ukraine had hit hard in Russia, they have reopened, but now we're hearing President Trump wants to put a 500% tariff on any country that buys Russian oil that he hasn't approved. I say that in a wording like that because Hungary's got a unique situation, and we saw that Orban had come in, talked to the president. So I don't know which countries he would do this to and not do it to. I liked what I heard today out of Iran, that they are not producing uranium, period. They're not enriching it. If there is truth to that, that will go a long way in maybe resolving some of the issues there. We saw that the UN today did agree with the U.S. proposal for some type of troops to watch Gaza and see what's going on. I don't know enough about it to really understand yet what's going on there, but we know that Israel's saying there's no state that's going to happen right now at this point in time, and they pretty well have the U.S. on their side. We will see where that all goes. So if we could, let's go back, look at the chart action, and see what we've got. I have had my clientele, I don't mind telling you that. I have put out, even though I couldn't do all my updates here in the evenings, I did stick with my written updates as best as I could, but I certainly was putting out the morning subscriber videos just about every morning, other than when I was being operated on in the hospital. And as you can see, I'm feeling pretty good, and I'm out here in pretty good spirits. Let's take a look at what we've got.